Okay, once you have the slide in the BioRevo, you got it somewhat centered. These little tabs here, close it up. Now you've got your image collector BZ2 viewer open. First, hit. You've got your. Make sure you've got preview going, or nothing else works. You want to go to navigation and do the image registration. Then you can close that. Once you got yourself a 4x image, you should be all set. I've already saved this image, but to click and drag to move it laterally, rapidly, you hit the control and you click and drag like you would Google Maps. Also to focus, you hit the control key and then you can quickly focus. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this up to the upper left hand. Now that I've taken my 4x image, I'm going to get it to the upper, or the lower, I should say, left hand quadrant of this image, because I want to get a tile map of the anterior segment. So first thing I have to do is go, I'm going to have to register that, and I'm going to go to my 20x lens, and I'm going to take a strip along the bottom of this image. But first I'm going to have to focus. I want to get the entire anterior segment of the lens. And I'm going to start over here and go straight across. Beginning with the ciliary body. I want to get everything but the ciliary body in it in the image. Let's see where we're at. Okay, I may be able to use that as a landmark, but okay, that gets everything. Start here, focus it at 20x. Now you're going to toggle between photo and preview. So you take your photo. That actually does collect an image, which you can come back to later. Now go back to preview. You see this little thing right here? This thing? Click that. It moves you over one notch. Take a photo. Again, toggle back to preview, move it over, take another photo, toggle back to preview, move it over, take one last photo. That'll get you a nice rectangle of merged 20x images. Once you're done with that, switch to the analyzer. And once you do that, go to image merge. You can also try a custom image merge, but for now this will just be a nice geometrically symmetrical kind of image collection. So we'll go to image merge. Now it's going to ask you, where do you want to, what files do you want to merge? Hit add. And you see that by default, this software dumps it in something called new folder on the desktop. So don't worry about where it's going for now. Just go to the new folder, grab the images with the control, say open. Now merge them, and it automatically puts them together for you. Now you can save, and I'm going to put it in this folder, and that's pretty much it. Once you're done, make sure you get it onto some other media other than this C drive. I'm using one of these portable hard drives. I hope this helps.